Saturday morning, it's like 8:15. What are you doing at Saturday morning at 8:15? I don't know for yourself, but me, I'm going to the scrapyard. I'm not sure, but I think I saw I thought I saw brass. Wasn't wrong. So yeah, again, windows. Quite good aluminum load. That heater was with mazout, so it has some oil in it a bit. So it smells bad. My truck has a weird noise to the morning. But anyway, Saturday morning, good for work. The scrapyard is closed at 11:30, so I'm quite a bit rushed. To get everything done. So what do yourself doing on Saturday morning? Me, digging into trash, but that's not pretty trash, that's quite awesome pics. So I'm gonna fill up that with extra. Garbage. I don't have that much windows, but I have lots of frames to clean up, so, and all those. So never stop, never sleep, never will. All right, I have an emergency call right now. Somebody spotted like 200 pounds at least, he said, of aluminium. So I have a place to put that for sure. Only garbage right now, all cleaned up. I'm kind of burned because of my morning. I was feeling like taking it easy today, but now no choice if it's just beside my place. And there's 200 pounds of aluminium. I'm surely gonna grab it. So that's it. That's my way of making most of my cash. Seriously, I have like lots of people that know that I scrap, and whenever they see something, they just call me. They know that I there. So he called me. He said, "Hey, jackpot." But he said, "Is your truck is empty right now, my friend?" I said, "Yeah, sure." He said, "All right, come home, come over here, give me the address. There's at least 200 pounds of aluminium, so." Scrap life. Jackpot Digger with you for another video. So today we're gonna deal with transformers. Those transformers are being pulled over from microwaves. Normally I don't deal with those. I just sell them as part. I get same price as motor from my yard. I get 10 to 25 cents, depend on the yard, per pound for each of them. So those are the small one, 7 pounds, 7 by 25, 175 for that piece by itself. So it's kind of not bad. There's bigger ones, like that one. It's going to be heavier for sure. It's bigger, 10 pounds, so $2.50 I get. $1 to $2.50 for it. Just another fatty one, that's probably lighter. No, 10 pounds even too. So another $2.25. So when I started scrapping, I was busting them all up to take the copper off. What I learned with time, it's that they're not all made of copper. Some of them are made with aluminum and copper. Like you see over here, I smashed it. Smash. And you see it's like the silver color. This is aluminum. But sometimes you get lucky and you found one copper. So I get all the same price for them at 25 cents a pound. My guess is you don't get that much copper over here to get my $2 that I have by itself for weight, $1.75. So my guess is, and just to mention it first, normally I don't deal at them at all. I just throw them in my motor pile with all the others and sell them as is. But it's really not hard. Busting them up takes maybe less than a minute each when you're used to it. I'm gonna show you, there's a welding here on each of them. So I'm gonna show you my way. I'm putting my setup on. Glasses, protection, gloves. Right now it's fucking freezing outside. Another beautiful day, but so yeah, I'm just like feeling like pulling my bucket of copper, cleaning maybe that little mess. I have a small trip that maybe I'll show you, but I just wanted to make a small video just to see if it really worth it. So I'm gonna weight each of them, wrote it down on a sheet, and calculate the amount of aluminum and copper and iron that I get out of there. Pretty sure, my guess is probably worth it to bust those copper one, but the copper aluminum one, my guess is it's more to leave it as is. So I think I'm gonna just bust one big fat one, make the mats, and calculate if I'm gonna break these three other ones. But that one for sure I'm gonna bust it up, and the other one we'll see after the mat. So let's go. weighs almost nothing. It's almost hard to believe that it's copper. Damn, that one is all aluminum. So, lost a lot over there. I lost $2. Because right now in aluminum, there's only £1 of aluminum, so 50 cents. And £10 of iron, so $1.10, $1.20 of iron. So not lost over there, but I was sure they were all made of half ore. And that one, all aluminum. All aluminum. I was sure that was half. I know that they made some like that, but anyway, this one's gonna be the only one that I break. Copper content. Even there. 50. That's a good piece of pipe. Let's see. So yeah, end up doing quite good, surprisingly good. Seriously, I thought that I would took less copper than that, but there's almost 2 pounds of copper in it, so almost $5 over there, plus my iron, clean iron. I get number 1 for that. If I get enough, I need at least 300 pounds and 6 pounds of iron number 1. So quite a bit surprised about those one. I really didn't know that they were aluminum ones. I was sure that they were half. I know that they do some, I'll try to find some that are half-half, you know, that part is copper and that part aluminum or whatever side, but those are aluminum, so it doesn't worth my time at all to bust. Leave it over there. 10 pounds of copper motor, copper bearing motor. So scrap till you die, tabarnak. Editing my video and I just forgot it to show you. Yeah, look like stainless. My friend told me at least 200-300 pounds of aluminium, but nope. But it's okay. It's like a motor rack. It was in a motor shop, so let's see, to put the tire over there. Anyway, it's all bent up. So scrap. There's maybe at least 20 bucks. It's kind of heavy. It's really heavy. And I found it that bird water. I'm maybe gonna put it over there. It's really good looking. Anyway, scrap till you die, tabarnak.
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the fifth. Scrap or die, nigga.